In the heart of Nigeria, there existed a bustling town where technology was beginning to shape the future. In this town lived a wise and skilled instructor named Mr. Habib, known for his expertise in all things related to computers. He dreamed of spreading his knowledge and empowering his community, so he established HABFAT ICT Ventures, a center for computer training and business. Mr. Habib was not just a teacher, he was a mentor who believed in creating a comfortable and nurturing environment for his students. His center became a hub of learning, where people from all walks of life gathered to enhance their skills and embark on new opportunities. One day, a group of young individuals enrolled in Mr. Habib's training program. Among them was a young man named ID, who lacked respect for authority and saw the training as a mere formality. He often arrived late, ignored instructions, and disrupted the class with his careless behavior. Despite ID's disrespectful attitude, Mr. Habib remained patient and determined to reach him. He knew that everyone had the potential to learn and grow, given the right guidance and support. Instead of scolding ID, Mr. Habib took him aside and spoke to him with kindness and understanding. "Mr. Habib, why do you bother with someone like me?" ID asked, surprised by Mr. Habib's patience. "Because I see potential in you, ID. You may not realize it yet, but you have a gift waiting to be discovered," Mr. Habib replied with a reassuring smile. Moved by Mr. Habib's sincerity, ID began to change his ways. He started attending classes on time, paying attention to the lessons, and showing respect to his fellow classmates. Mr. Habib's dedication and belief in him ignited a spark within ID, driving him to excel in his studies. As time passed, ID not only mastered the intricacies of computer technology but also became an advocate for learning and respect within the center. His transformation inspired others, and soon, the atmosphere at HABFAT ICT Ventures became one of unity, respect, and mutual support. Years went by, and HABFAT ICT Ventures flourished under Mr. Habib's guidance. ID, now a successful entrepreneur, looked back on his journey with gratitude and admiration for the wise instructor who had changed his life. The tale of Mr. Habib and ID spread far and wide, becoming a legend in the town. It served as a reminder that with patience, understanding, and belief in the potential of others, even the most disrespectful among us can find their way and make a positive impact on the world. The existed impostering sound with technology was beginning to shape the future. HABFAT ICT Tutors and Ventures, a center of computer training and business.